How to extend your Moneyline repayment. Alright, so you are looking to extend your Moneyline repayment and I'm here to walk you through the process. First things first, open up your Moneyline app. Let me do mine too. Make sure you have already logged into your account. And once you are in, you will see this type of interface. Now you can see several options at the bottom. From the button, simply tap on the dollar sign which is in bottom left. Tap on it. And that will take you to here. Now on your screen you'll be seeing the loans, which is the second option. Tap on it. Once you're inside the loan, you will see your active loan details right here. However, in my case, I haven't taken any loan till the date, so I can't see any loan over here. However, I'll be guiding you through the process. So if you have an active loan, you will see it over here. Now, pay the attention to that repayment date. It's what we'll be working on today. Now, tap on the loan you need to adjust. You will see an option labeled Manage My Loan or something similar. Click on that and you will find several options like increasing your monthly payment or changing your repayment date. Simply select and change the repayment date. Next up, Moneyline will show you the calendar. Choose the date that fits with your best financial schedule. Remember, flexibility is a key. So ensure the new date aligns with your ability to pay. Also keep in mind that extending your repayment date might come with some additional fees or interest. Don't skip over the terms and conditions. Give them a read to understand any potential changes to your loan agreement. Once you have set the new date, confirm the changes and bam, you are all set. Moneyline will send you a confirmation email to check your inbox for peace of mind. And that's it. You have successfully extended your Moneyline payment. Keep the track of your finances and always make sure to stay productive with your payments. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.